Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive $750 million project that's aiming to completely overhaul the backbone of the U.S. export economy. So, this is Heliopolis Farms. Their big vision? To build the digital gateway for American agriculture. But what does that actually mean for how food gets from a farm here in the States to dinner tables all over the world? To really get what this new gateway is all about, we first have to understand the problem that they're setting out to solve.
Look, the whole game is changing. You've got these industry giants, like Cargill, and they're shifting their strategy. It's not enough to just own a bunch of buildings anymore. They're providing sophisticated solutions, and to do that, they need partners who can give them advanced data and help manage risk, not just, a place to park some grain.
And that's where the Heliopolis Farms solution comes in. This isn't just another port, it's a completely integrated ecosystem. The real magic happens by blending these three layers together: a physical foundation, a digital nervous system, and a financial engine. Okay, so let's start at the bottom and peel back that first layer, how this thing is built from the ground up. The physical foundation is built on 4 world-class assets. It all starts with a super strategic port location. Then you add an advanced grain elevator, massive cold storage facilities, and, this is key, it's all connected by a dedicated modern trucking fleet designed to make the whole thing run like a Swiss watch.
And that fleet? Yeah, it's starting with 100 brand spanking new Peterbilt trucks. And this isn't just about having a lot of trucks, it's about guaranteeing total efficiency for that crucial first and last mile of the entire journey. But here's the thing you gotta understand. These trucks are so much more than just transportation. You should think of them as the first moving pieces, almost like mobile sensors, in a much, much larger, intelligent system. And this is where things get really, really interesting. How do you take all this physical hardware, all this steel and concrete, and give it a digital brain, and even a financial nervous system?
Well, that second layer is what they call a digital nervous system. It uses AI, the Internet of Things, and blockchain technology to turn every single physical asset into a smart, data-generating node. So everything, from the silos to the trucks themselves, is creating a constant stream of data that's secured on a blockchain, which is a type of distributed ledger technology, or DLT. That just means it's tamper-proof and completely verifiable. And all of that data, it's not just for show. It directly powers the third layer, a financial engine called PayNetQ. This is designed to basically automate payments, get rid of all the friction, and unlock cash flow all the way down the supply chain. So let me walk you through how this automation actually works. Imagine one of those Peterbilt trucks arrives to make a delivery. The truck's own sensors and GPS data instantly verify that it's there. That verification automatically triggers a smart contract, and boom, the payment is sent. No paperwork, no phone calls, no waiting. So, when you stack all 3 of these layers together, that's when you get something that is truly transformative. All that operational data from the port, the silos, the trucks, it all flows into one central place to create what they call a digital twin. This is basically a living, real-time digital copy of the entire port ecosystem. You can use it for predictive modeling, analyzing risk. It's an incredible tool for optimization. And this isn't just some fantasy on a PowerPoint slide. Through a strategic partnership with Peterbilt's parent company, Packer, these trucks are going to be deeply integrated into the system. We're talking about their telematics, their GPS, all their sensor data feeding directly into the blockchain for that instant tamper-proof verification. And get this, they're even planning a landmark autonomous trucking pilot program. And this slide, it just illustrates the end result perfectly. From the moment something leaves the farm until it gets to the customer, you have complete and total traceability. As those Peterbilt trucks are moving goods, their data is being added in real time to that blockchain, that immutable, unchangeable digital ledger. What you get is a trusted, verifiable journey for every single product. So what Heliopolis Farms really shows us is that when you seamlessly integrate the physical world with the digital world, the future of the supply chain isn't just about moving goods anymore. It's about moving verifiable data. And with that data, it's about moving a whole new level of trust.